My name's Owen Beardsmore from Cervus UK, and I spend much of my time out in the woods as a deer manager, either taking clients out or doing part of our cull. The last 12 months I've been using Leupold kit, and I've been very impressed with what I've got. I've changed my scope to the new VX-6 range. That's their HD range. The one I've been using is a 3-18 by 50 on 2 of my rifles, and there's other scopes I use for different scenarios, driven bore, and then I've just received this new 40mm one, which will be going on my mountain rifle, ready for September. So my go-to workhorse is the 3-18 by 50. This gives great light, first and last light in the woods, and I can turn it right down for that close-up muntjac that's 20-30 yards away. It's a nice robust scope made from top-grade aluminium across in the States, and it's got these awesome scope caps on it. I've used scope caps in the past, and they always come off, fall off, snap or break because they're plastic. But these aluminium ones are absolutely brilliant. They just fold back like that. They've got 2 magnets on them, put them back there. I've put them through the worst of weather in Scotland, up in the mountains. Very light in weight from its aluminium body. The light gathering from the scope has been absolutely excellent. I use this mainly at first and last light for deer management, so it's got to perform. And the lens coatings that Leupold have put on these give great clarity. For that deer that you're trying to identify under some rhododendrons at very first light when you've got no real colours, absolutely fantastic for doing that. And then it has the custom dial system on the top here. When you set your scope up, get it on the range, put your shots in, and then once you've got that fully sighted in, you can just undo it and turn it back to its 0. So to adjust your fire dot, you press it on here, high intensity bright red during daylight, or you can drop it right down to a fine pixel for last light. Leupold really put their money where their mouth is and back all their kit up with a lifetime guarantee. And that's not just for the person that purchases it, that's extended to any owner. So you've got that security that you're buying a piece of kit that you're going to be able to use as much as you want, as hard as you want, and it won't let you down. The VX-6 HD range of scopes vary in price from just under £2,000 up to just under £3,000, depending on what magnification you choose, and will give any German scope a run for its money.